Hi, my name is Bellamy. I've been lashing at LivBay for 2 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to practice on a mannequin. So the reason why we're using a mannequin head today is because models might not always be available to you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So today we're gonna be using the mannequin head that you put strip lashes on. There is another mannequin head that you guys can use. It is a mannequin head with removable eyelids. I do like that one just so you don't get the lashes stuck onto the lower half of her cheek. The one mannequin head that you do strip lashes on, you might find yourself getting the eyelash extensions stuck onto the bottom of her cheek. It is okay if you guys get glue on your mannequin head with the strip lashes. The other mannequin head is just for more real life like scenario. All right, so the first step is I'm gonna go ahead and grab my strip lashes. I'm gonna grab a pair of tweezers to help me put the lashes on my mannequin head. And I like to put my strip lashes right on top of where a model's eye would be. So now that our mannequin head is prepped and set, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lash extensions on her. I'm not gonna tape her down or put eye pads down. Only if I was mapping, then I would put eye pads down, but in this case, I don't have to. All right, guys, so now that I have my mannequin head ready, I have my tile next to me. I am right-handed, so I'm gonna keep my tile on the right-hand side. I'm gonna go ahead and shake my glue side to side. And I'm gonna go ahead and dispense a glue dot on the side of my tile. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tweezers and begin to isolate and place on the mannequin head. So I like to start on the right-hand side. And I'm just gonna shuffle through the lashes, find that one single lash, go ahead and isolate and pick up a lash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my classic lash into the glue. I am using 0.18s and I just picked up an 11. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right on top of the lash. So I find that with the mannequin head that I do have to use a little bit more glue than normal to place the lash, just because of the strip lashes are synthetic and the lashes don't stick too well onto them. So don't be afraid to put a little bit more glue than you normally would. While I'm practicing on a mannequin head, the goal that I'm trying to get is how close I am placing to the lash line and also my isolation. I wanna make sure my isolation is perfect. And you guys can also use a mannequin head for practicing volume, mega volume, mixed, whatever style you want to practice. And of course, for those, you're going to use 0.05 and 0.03. If you guys find that the lashes are sticking to her cheek too much, another way that you guys can fix that is gluing the strip lash on top of her forehead, just so that the lash extensions don't get stuck onto her cheek. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it brought a ton of value to you. Question for you guys, how do you guys practice at home? Is it on a mannequin head or a model or a sponge? Leave your answers in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.